NDEIPI, what's up? This is Learn to Speak Shona with Zimbabwe Kid. Quick recap today of what we have learned over the past few weeks. NDEIPI is slang for what's up. That's NDEIPI, right? Or if you want to do a more formal greeting, you would say MAKADINI, ZVENYU, MAKADINI, ZVENYU, which is how are you doing? And then if it's a friend, or your buddy, Jake, or your friend, your girlfriend, Sally, you would say wakadini zako, wakadini zako. And also, if you're trying to say to somebody where you going, you would say NDEIPI, NDEIPI. Yeah, I think that's a recap of some of the things we've learned before. And then now we're going to go into a few more interesting phrases. Say you're trying to say to somebody, I'm running, like running the marathon, coming in 69th place or 73rd place. You'd say, ndirikumanya, I'm running. Yeah, I know, that's very random, but maybe you get to use that sometime. Ndirikumanya, I am running. And then if you're walking, walking to the Walmart, a long distance, for some reason your car broke down and you're walking, and someone asks you, what are you doing? Urukwite? You would say, ndiri kufamba, ndiri kufamba, right? Kufamba is walking. Ndiri kufamba, sweating in this Texas weather, and it's humid too. It's not a good thing. Anyway, that's it for today's Learn to Speak Shona. If you guys have any requests or anything that you would like me to teach you in Shona, go ahead and leave it in the comment box, and I'll go ahead and make a video of that. And that's it for today's Learn to Speak Shona with Zimbabwe Kid. Ndiri kufamba. Actually, I'm driving, but ndiri kufamba would be I'm walking. Walking. Zimbabwe Kid, Zimbo Nexus. Peace.